Hey guys, my name is Katie and I'm all into cosmetics, beauty and stuff. So I decided to start my own channel to share yays and fails and tips and tricks with you guys. What the fuck? I want to talk about this specific two brands. This one is Dashing Diva, Korean brand. It contains 30 pieces inside. Stick on nails. The gel sticker is already on the nail, which makes it really easy to apply on, and it covers basically the whole nail. And it lasts like literally a week. And the dupe for it, this one is around like 30 kwai, which is like $9 or something, and the dupe for it is like $2 from Miniso. That is Japanese Chinese brand. You can buy also in China. It's like $2. It also contains like 30 pieces, though the stickers come separately and you have to stick it on the nail prior to application, and the stickers are pretty small, but still it's a really nice dupe. I used to wear this ones a lot before, and I'm sure it lasts like a week or so for sure, and it's pretty comfortable to wear. But I really want to try this ones today. As you can see, I'm already wearing on my nails, so let's get into that. So this is how the Dashing Diva looks like. Inside you've got 30 pieces of nails, one file, one nail stick, and an alcohol wipe to prep your nails. A Miniso one also has got 30 pieces inside. There is a file and a nail stick. They suggest you to place a sticker onto your nail and then press a gel nail for 15 seconds. A perfect size for each nail has been found, so we can get into the application. Take a gel sticker appropriate for your nail. This one will do. Peel it off. Peel the protective film off. And press the gel nail for 15 seconds. And repeat for each nail. I'm a little bit concerned about those butterflies because I feel like they would just fall off today or tomorrow. But we will see how it wears. And here we go, one hand is done. Let me finish the other one. Here are two hands done, and it basically took me like 2 minutes, I think. Super quick. Let me file uneven edges to make it look perfect. It is easy to file it, so if you would want to change the shape, so go ahead. I think it could be done pretty easily. And here we go, the final look. We're done. Well, you would also ask how to remove it, and actually they suggest different methods. Dashing Diva suggests you to use a nail polish to pour it a little bit on the side of the nail and peel it off gently, while Miniso brand suggests you to soak in lukewarm water for 3 minutes and then peel off gently as well. Either or works, I believe, because usually for these ones I just like soak them in warm water and peel it off as well, and it does work. But do not be too harsh on your nails, because then your nail might get a little bit whatever damaged. That's what I meant, damaged. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Please like it to support me, and feel free to subscribe to be friends. See you next time. Bye.